Hello, I'm Deirdre Selby with Soul Enhancements, and I welcome you here today for this stress release meditation. Here at the holidays, or at any time of the year at all, stress is a natural response of the body to the natural pressures of life, and it's something everyone experiences. While stress can be motivating and even beneficial in certain situations, chronic or intense stress can take a significant toll on both the internal and external mind and body. The body's stress response is meant to help us survive short-term threats. But in today's world, where few are being chased by tigers, many of us face prolonged stressors that are not so easily resolved. Stress hits all of us in different ways, mentally, physically, emotionally, and even spiritually, interrupting our ability to tune in and our flow. Emotionally, it might show up as anxiety, restlessness, racing thoughts, negative thinking patterns, or even depression. Physically, stress can cause tension in the muscles, headaches, digestive issues, or difficulty sleeping. Over time, if stress is not managed, it can lead to burnout, exhaustion, or even chronic illnesses. The goal of this meditation is to guide you to a state of deep relaxation and calm, enabling you to release the tension of the day and restore balance to your heart, body, and mind. Before you begin, I invite you to set a gentle intention for this meditation. You may wish to simply feel more relaxed, to release the tension you've been holding, or to cultivate a sense of peace that you can carry with you throughout your day. Your intention is personal to you. Take a moment to reflect on what you need most right now. Perhaps you may say to yourself, I am open to releasing my stress. Or, I am worthy of peace and calm. Gently touch your heart in a way that is comfortable for you. That gentle touch reminds your awareness to keep coming back to your heart center and to keep your focus here. Next, begin to slow your breathing. A relaxed inhale and longer on the release to stimulate the body's natural relaxation response. Breathe with me. Inhale. Release. Inhale. Release. One more deep into the heart. Hold it at the top. And release. Continue breathing in a way that is comfortable for you. Notice how quickly your body shifts with this breath. This is an ancient primal language that your body understands. Now, I invite you to do something uniquely human and to feel a feeling because you choose to do so. Gratitude for anyone or anything, and I am very grateful to be here with you today, taking the time to stop and focus in on how worthy you are, how deserving you are of peace and tranquility in your life, calmness, a few moments out of time. Appreciation is a very strong emotion. Caring, the ability to care deeply for anyone or anything, or compassion, which is so needed in our lives and in our world, or any positive life-affirming feeling that works for you. Allow this emotion to rise up from your heart center, to radiate outward, to permeate every organ, every tissue, every cell of your being. Let it fill the vessel that is your body until it overflows into your aura. And when your aura overflows, allow our heart centers to connect. You are harmonizing your mind and your body, shifting into a receptive frame from which to access our intuition on demand, the place from which to ask and answer the deep questions. Now, I want to take you to a place of deep calm where you can fully unwind and feel safe. Are you ready? Let's begin by imagining a quiet, peaceful garden. This garden is a place you will create in your mind, a safe space where you feel comfortable, calm, and secure. As you visualize your garden, imagine the vibrant colors of flowers surrounding you. Notice the delicate petals in various shades of red, yellow, purple, and pink. Each flower sways gently in the breeze, releasing a sweet, soothing scent. The air is warm and inviting, and the sun shines down on your skin, making you feel comforted. You take a deep breath, inhaling the fresh, clear air, and as you exhale, you begin to feel the tension melt away. The outer world is still there, but here in this garden, in this peaceful garden, nothing matters except the feeling of tranquility within you. As you walk through the garden, feel your feet gently touching the soft grass beneath you. You might notice a stone path winding through the flowers and choose to walk along it slowly, feeling grounded with each step. With each step you take, let go of any residual stress. Imagine every worry or tension you have being absorbed deep into the earth beneath your feet, as if the ground is gently taking them away. Continue walking and exploring this peaceful place. You see a small pond nearby with crystal clear water reflecting the surrounding beauty of the garden. You approach the water and sit by its edge. As you look into the pond, you notice how still the water is, calm and smooth, like a mirror. It reflects the blue sky above, and as you watch, you feel your mind also becoming still and calm. Take a moment to fully relax into this space. Imagine yourself deeply connected to the calm energy of the garden, with every breath bringing you deeper into a state of pure tranquility. Let this picture soak deep into your being, knowing that whenever you need to find peace, you can return to this place in your mind. As you sit there in the garden, imagine that you are holding a small balloon in your hand. See your balloon clearly, its size, its color, its form. This balloon represents all the worries, all the anxieties, all the stressors you may be carrying. It is light and delicate, and yet it contains all of the tension you are ready to release. As you hold the balloon, notice how it feels in your hand. It may be small or large, but it carries the weight of your worries. Now, take a deep breath in and feel your body relax. Release the breath. And gently release the balloon into the air. Watch it float away, rising higher and higher until it becomes a small dot in the sky. With the balloon floating away, all your stresses, fears, and tensions are released. The balloon carries them far from you, allowing you to feel lighter, more at ease. You are free from those burdens now. Let yourself feel this lightness in your body, in your mind, in your heart. Feel the lightness that releasing your stress and worries brings in. Take a moment to enjoy this feeling of lightness, knowing that you can release your stress and worries whenever you need to. This garden and these balloons are just a few moments of imagery away. Your body and mind are free to relax fully, just as they are meant to. Take a deep breath, and with each exhale, imagine releasing your need for control. You don't need to fix everything right now. Simply allow yourself to be. You are enough, just as you are. You are here sitting by this beautiful lake. You are safe. Just for this moment, nothing needs your attention, and there is nothing that needs doing. Please begin to slowly draw your awareness back to the present moment, returning your thoughts to your current surroundings. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes as I count you back. 1, 2, 3. Aware of what you have released and how much lighter you feel. 4, 5, 6. Ready to return to your day and make it amazing. And 7. Breathe in deeply once again, feeling forever connected to the universe and your own unique essence. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and give thanks for the earth and your connection to all that is. If you enjoyed this meditation, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.